musicianship. It's probably a word you've heard before, and it generally means having a certain level of mastery on your instrument. And basically, that comes from practice and learning music theory. But there's so much more to it. You cannot really develop your musicianship with just scales and music theory. There's a lot more to it. Hey everybody, CJ here, and today we're looking at musicianship. Just an introduction to musicianship because it's a very broad subject. There's a lot to cover in it, so we're going to take it in sections. So today I just want to look at the basics of it and what does it really mean, musicianship? Well, generally speaking, like I said before, it's usually mastery of your instrument. Now, that mastery is usually developed through time, through scales and study, but there's a lot more to it. For me, and some other people, lots of other people, think that musicianship is about finding your voice. It's about freedom of expression, about being able to just sit down to your instrument and just play whatever. Being comfortable in any situation, any musical situation, being able to play with a wide variety of people, and being just confident and comfortable as a musician. And that comes through more than just scales and study, right? Of course, that's important. Knowing music theory helps you to communicate with other musicians. So that's a valuable asset, but you don't need to be a music theory whiz in order to do that. Now, what you really want to be able to do at the end of the day is to be able to play what you feel, to play what you hear from inside, have inner hearing. We study ear training that allows us to identify and recognize pitches and patterns that are from other music, and we learn all about that. But we really want to be able to play what we hear in our own minds, in our own ears, inner hearing. And that takes time to develop. And one of the best ways to develop your overall musicianship, and this is really the point of this particular video, right? The best way is through performance, live performance. I know there are lots of people that think, oh, I'm not ready for that yet. I just want to practice until I'm ready. Well, so go out there and perform. Go out there and get on stage and feel that pressure, and that will raise your awareness, your musical awareness. You'll be sharp, you'll be keen, and you'll be on it. If you go to a jam session and someone calls a song that you don't know in some strange key signature, whatever the case may be, what do? That's where your musicianship kicks in. Musicianship kicks in there. You'll know what to play, when to play, and how to play. How to create space, how to accompany the vocalist, how to make the vocalist stand out, how to follow the cues from the drummer and the other musicians, how to add your own cues to the band, give your own cues to the band, how to create space and stay in the pocket and get that groove tight. Those are not things that you're going to learn from just sitting at home practicing. So there's a lot more to musicianship than just scales and theory. And we'll get into that later on. So the foundation of musicianship, as far as I'm concerned, is about freedom of expression, finding your inner voice. That's what we're going to work on. That's what the next videos are going to all be about, finding that voice, finding your voice. So click subscribe and click the notifications bell to make sure you don't miss any of those videos. All right? Let's do it. See you soon.